Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Sunday, July 27th, and this is my full top-down analysis on gold. And we're going to start off on the monthly time frame, work our way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame. So on gold, I personally think gold is extremely clear on these very high time frames, like the weekly, monthly, and maybe even the daily. Maybe if you're not familiar with Elliot wave, it's a little confusing, but I think this is extremely clearly a wave one, the first wave up. This is extremely clearly an expanding ABC, wave two, and then this is a one of three. This is a two of three. We're in a wave three now. So one of three, two of three. This is all a three of three. If we are going to make a wave four right now, which I think we are, it's likely a wave four of wave three, and then we'll likely get another push up for a wave five of wave three. So this is all still a wave three price action. The wave three itself is not even complete yet, which means that the big wave four is probably a long ways off, and the big wave five is a long ways off. So in my eyes, it's extremely clear, at least on these high time frames. Going down to the weekly, I think the wave three of three is complete. I think we're already in the wave four of wave three, like I was showing on the monthly. The wave four of wave three probably will break structure, so I would definitely think that if it is a wave four of three, it should go below the $3,000 area. Maybe even down to like the 2950 area. So let's go down to the daily because it's actually a little bit more clear on the daily, the correction that is. I think this is making a triple three pattern, a WXY, which is a very recognizable pattern in Elliott wave. You got one, two, three waves down, wave W. You got one wave up, one wave down, one wave up. So one, two, three waves up, wave X. So three waves of W, three waves of X. Now we have one down, one up, so A, B. And now I think we are likely going down for the third wave of W. So an ABC of W, which I think could bring us down to about the 2950 area to finish off a wave four of wave three. Now we had a very, very impulsive move down midweek. We really need to see a break of structure to really, really confirm that this is definitely going down, which we do not have yet. So just keep in mind, we need that break of structure to really confirm that we're going down to below 3000. Going down to the 4 hour time frame, like I said, no breaker structure yet, but this move down is very, very impulsive. My most recent structure is way up here, so even if it does start a pullback, it will be a downtrend unless it breaks that high right there. It could go up like this, and it would still be a downtrend to me. It doesn't have to do that. I'm just saying that it could. It might just, do something like this and just keep on making lower lows, lower highs, breaking structure, confirming that this wave B is complete. So going all the way down to the 1 hour time frame. Like I said, the last important structure is here. Anything that happens between here and here, it could do whatever it wants, but it very likely would just be a correction to this last wave down unless it makes an impulsive move up and takes out this high. If it makes an impulsive move up and takes out this high, then that probably would turn me back into a buyer. Anything that happens in between these two lines, though, could just end up being a pullback to the move down. It could literally just make a little pullback and then continue down, or it could do something like this, make a little bit of a bigger pullback and continue down. It doesn't really matter to me because, like I said, anything that happens between these two lines is very likely just a pullback to the last wave down. As long as it doesn't break this structure, we need to continue to stay bearish. So, anyways, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.